So right now, this is how your Android phone looks. It has the normal home screen, normal icons and regular menus. Now, if you want to give your Android phone a clean, modern, minimalist look, there are many apps available on Play Store. But today I am going to show you a special way to do it. So your phone looks fully upgraded, stylish and minimalist for today's generation. Let's get started. First, open this application. When you open it, allow the notification permission. After that, you will see Minimalist Phone on the screen. Click on the Start button. When you tap on Start, click Next. Then you will see no icons, no cravings. Click Next again. After that, you will see Escape Endless Scroll Feeds. Tap Next. Now the app will explain what features it provides and how it helps you go minimalist. Keep clicking next until everything is complete. After that, the app will ask for some permissions. These permissions are very important. If you don't allow them, you won't be able to customize your phone properly. So first, click on Open Overlay Settings. After that, find this application. Then click on Display over other apps and enable it. Once that is done, go back. Now click on Open Users Permissions setting. Open the app again. Here you will see Permit Users Access. Turn it on and allow access. After that, click Next. Now your phone is ready for Minimalist Setup. Quick reminder, you will find this app in the video description. Also on this channel, we mostly talk about Android security and Android customization. So if you want to keep your phone safe and stylish, make sure to subscribe. Now click Next again. Here the app will show you what features is provided and how it works. One important thing you should know, this app will suggest its premium subscription. If you want, you can take the premium version, but now I am skipping it. After that, click on Activate Now. Now agree the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Next, you will see Open Settings. Click on it. Go to Apps. Find the Minimalist Phone. Enable it and allow all required permissions. After that, this step will be complete. Now go to Default Apps. This step is very important. If you don't do this, the app would not work properly. Go to your phone search box and type here Default. Open the Default Apps. Then click on Home Apps. Here select Minimalist Phone. Once you choose it, your phone will completely change. Now you can see your phone looks totally different. Next, you will see how home screen works. Click on it. Here the app will explain all features. You will learn how notifications works, how navigations works, and how to use the launcher properly. On one side, you will see the camera. On another side, you will see the call screen. If you swipe, you will see all apps. There are no icons, no clutter, no distraction. Everything is clean and simple. If you want a true minimalist phone, this is one of the best apps for you. But that's not all. There are many more features. The app show you how to use everything properly. For example, if you open Chrome, it opens instantly. If I press back, it takes me back to the home screen. Now, if I long press on any app, you will see more option. You can add to favorite, block the app, rename it, hide it, move it to a folder, check app info, uninstall it. Many phones does not give this option, but this app does. So you can easily hide apps if you want. Now if I tap add to favorite, you can see calendar and camera appear at the top. If I long press on Brave and choose hide, it disappears from the home screen. Now it's hidden. To see hidden apps, go to Settings, click on the gear icon. Here you will see many settings, device settings, gestures, display and more. I would not go too deep into all of them right now. Click on home screen, then click on hidden apps. Here you can see the Brave again. You can unhide it anytime. There is also an option called changing animation. You can enable or disable animations. If you want next level minimalism, you can turn animations off. This is perfect for people who want a clean and distraction free experience. Now if you ever want to stop using this app, don't worry. Some people think it's hard to disable, but it's actually very easy. Let me show you. First, go to the Play Store, search for Minimalist Launcher, open it, then click uninstall. Once you uninstall it, your phone will go back to its original look, just like before. So this is how you can easily make your phone minimalist and also remove it anytime you want. If you have any questions, drop them into the comments and make sure to subscribe to this channel, because here you will find more interesting video about Android customization, security and upgrades.